ShaderMask is a widget that you can use to apply a shader to its child. Today, I will show you how to use it to apply gradients to a text widget. In a stateful widget, I created two variables to select and set the gradient colors. I used a column in a center widget for the body. I added the shader mask to the column and set its child to a text widget. I used a linear gradient for the shader callback. Its colors will be the variable I created above. I used a list of checkbox list style widgets to select the colors of the linear gradient.